In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Workspace in Windows PC or laptop. By the end, you'll have Google Workspace opening in its own window, just like a native app, so it's faster to launch and easier to keep focused. All you need is a Windows PC or laptop, a reliable internet connection, and a modern browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. First, open your browser and go to workspace.google.com. This is the official Google Workspace homepage. Give the page a moment to fully load so your browser can recognize it as installable. Next, look to the top of your browser window and click the menu icon. Depending on your browser, this can appear as 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots. It's usually in the upper right corner. If you don't immediately see the option we're about to use, don't worry. Browsers label things slightly differently, but the flow is the same. Inside that menu, move your mouse over the section labeled Save and Share. Hovering here expands more choices. This is where browsers group tools that let you keep or reuse pages later, and it's where the app installation option lives for installable sites. Now click Install Page as App. In some browsers, this may read Install App or a similar phrase, but the intent is the same. You're creating a lightweight, app-like experience for this website. Behind the scenes, your browser sets up a progressive web app, which gives you a separate window, its own icon, and quick access from Windows. Without a full traditional installation, a small window will pop up asking you to name the app. Type Google Workspace, then confirm to finish. Keeping the name simple makes it easy to find later in your start menu and on your desktop. After installation, the app should open in a clean window without the usual browser tabs and address bar, helping you stay focused on your work. From here, you can right-click the new icon on your taskbar and choose to pin it, so it's always one click away. You'll also find it in the Start menu, and you can create a desktop shortcut if you prefer. If you don't see the install option earlier, make sure you're on the correct page, update your browser, or try using Chrome or Edge on Windows, as support can vary. That's it. You've set up Google Workspace as an app on your Windows device, making it quicker to launch Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and your other tools in one place. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined workflow.